Hey guys, so I'm about to make some hamburger soup. I got my handy dandy food chopper. Got this from Ross, I believe. And we're gonna try it out.
Can I just...
And just smash this down. Wait, actually, go put a shirt on.
Can I smash
Go put a
it
shirt
down?
on.
No, it's not it.
Oh, look at that.
Mom, I wanna
Go put a shirt on.
it.
I'll let you smash the other ones down. Chop the other ones, but you gotta actually put a shirt on. I don't want you walking around with no shirt on. Ooh, this one worked way better than my last one did. So I'm gonna cut up I already washed all these veggies I'm gonna put in it. And I'm not making like traditional hamburger soup. I'm just using the ingredients I have at home. So yeah, I know I've seen videos where it's like carrots, like a bag of mixed veggies, in their hamburger soup and tomato paste and things like that. I don't have tomato paste. I'm gonna use some maybe diced tomatoes. I'm gonna use some canned sweet peas, and I'm gonna use bell peppers, the sweet peppers, celery, onion, garlic, carrots, and I'm gonna be making and some beef broth and some 80-20 beef, and then I'm gonna come over here. Zakim's gonna be helping. Pull it down and smash it down hard. Push it down right here. Nope. Push it down. Push. Yeah, good job. Now pull this up. See how it went in here? Yay! Now put another slice on there.
Okay, this
Yep.
way.
Set it right here.
Set it like
Oh no, this way. Okay, smash.
Okay.
Smash hard. You gotta put muscle into it. Push.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Push. No, you can't keep pulling it back. You gotta push it down. Super speed. You gotta put super strength. Ready? Okay, hold on. Let me cut it maybe thinner. Watch out, watch out. Watch out for a second.
Cut some.
I'm gonna thin it out a little bit because I think it's a little bit too thick.
Don't cut your finger.
No, I won't. Okay, I'm gonna cut these a little thinner too. Give me a second. Because if they're too thick, they won't cut. No, I won't cut my finger. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. And I'm gonna cut it like half. Okay. No, yeah, do the one slice at a time. There you go. Pull it down. Another one.
Yes. Let's see.
Another slices. There's 2 slices on there. You could put 2 slices on here as long as they fit. No, don't slam it yet. Get another slice and put it right here. The top part. Yep. There you go. Stick it on there. Smash.
Super smash.
Smash. Okay, hold on. Maybe I shouldn't have put 2 on there. Okay, do one. Okay, pull it up. Now do another one. If you want your kids to help out in the kitchen, get you one of these. This is not sponsorship or anything, but it's safer for them and it helps them feel included and it just makes it more fun. All you have to do is do the prep for them. Wash off the veggies or fruits or whatever you're gonna use. They have different types of chop. Like this one's like longer. This one's like very, very tiny, and this one's the mini one. Are you okay?
Yeah.
And then they have these little things to clean, to get the stuff out the inside of it when it gets caught between the little holes. Get some more.
Okay. I did a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna put all this in our food, in our soup.
Yeah.
And it's been pouring rain out all day. Hold on, I'm gonna cut this one in half. Yeah, it's been pouring rain outside, so it's like a perfect day for some soup.
Okay. I'll put 2 on.
Careful. Sometimes we shouldn't do 2, Zakim, because okay, keep going. Hey, turn it down. Okay, watch out.
Smash it.
Okay, it got stuck because it needs to have more power to go through. Okay.
Okay.
It's
I
fine.
think I do too.
Just do one. No, you have to wait. You have to put it like right there in the middle. There you go. When he's done with the potatoes, I'm gonna do these ones. I'm gonna start browning the meat while he's doing that, since I don't know why I'm adding ground beef, but I mean why I'm adding oil. Hold on 1 second. Let me shake this. Okay, you can do some more.
I want to do it all by myself.
So I'm gonna brown this meat while he's chopping for me. And look, we're doing it together. Yeah, it's
I'm
awesome.
a chef with mommy.
You're a chef, yep.
I'm a little baby chef.
You're a baby chef?
Yeah.
You're a big kid.
I'm a big kid chef. I'm a big kid chef.
Yeah.
I grew up real fast.
You did grow up real fast.
Yeah.
You're almost 5. You have
Yep.
a birthday coming up.
Yeah. July.
July.
August.
September.
Oh.
Push it down.
Okay.
Need help?
No.
Smash it.
What
right
if you just close?
Smash this part. There you go.
There.
Sometimes it just needs a little push.
Yeah, a little big foot. Can I put the celery in?
Not yet. It's not ready.
I'm a little big kid chef. I'm a big kid chef.
Chef, yeah.
Wait, cut this in half. Cut it in half.
There you go. There you go. Take it.
Okay. Should I do one of this? Oh, I'm like a little cuckoo chef.
Doing a great job. Thank you for helping me.
Welcome. I can help you with this thing all day long.
You like the food chopper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so
Easier.
nice and easy.
It's easier to help out, so I don't have to worry about you cutting up anything.
Yeah.
You have to do the last 2 potatoes.
And then I get to pour it in the pot.
No, not yet. We're not gonna put the potatoes in yet.
We're gonna put all of the stuff in.
Yeah, but not yet. The meat has to brown up. I'm gonna use my meat chopper or meat. What's wrong?
I can't put it. Okay, I'm gonna put all
The
of it.
onions. Yep, the whole thing. Yep. Nope, like this.
Wait,
No, it's gonna be easier to cut the onions. Pull it down. Push this part like this. Push.
can you push it for me?
Ready?
Okay, it's so easy for the onions. Can you cut some onions in half?
There's some right there. And celery. Try those first.
Yep, I'm trying to.
Okay, hold on.
Onions.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna go like this. Give me 1 second. You okay?
I'm gonna put a band-aid on it.
Yeah,
It's
me.
really itchy.
Come here. You gotta wash your hands too. You gotta be careful. Want me to do the rest?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Be very careful.
There. There we go. They're watching me do the onions.
Mm-hmm.
And garbage.
Careful. Kind of a little bit still frozen. You're fine. If you want me to do it, I can do it. Nothing. If it's hurting your hands.
Mommy, can I do the dinner? that thing.
I got it.
I want to do another one by myself. Just by mommy to try this one by myself.
Let's see if we should try it. Celery. I gotta cut the celery a little bit more.
I can cut some onions and some so we can do it.
Here. No, this didn't go over here. You gotta go like this. Put it in the middle. See?
Like this?
Yep. Push it down. Harder. All the way down. Okay, watch out. Some of the skin is going to be hard to do. I'll do this one.
Can I do the celery?
Hold on, I'm going to put it in a bowl.
Oh,
To see it's getting stuck
yeah.
because we need to.
Wow, I did it so nicely. I did it so
You
nicely.
did a great job.
Yeah, I did so amazing job.
Yeah. Hold on, let me wash this.
And then can I do the bell peppers and celery?
We're going to do celery, peppers, carrots.
Okay, I'm gonna do all that stuff and it'll take forever. Because I like forever. Are you done washing it yet?
Yes, okay. Chill. Nope. Oh. This is this way. Okay.
Why do you want it the wrong way?
Come on.
No, I want to do
Celery.
I want to do it. Makes it remember my brother
Yeah,
that.
the celery is easier to do.
Yeah.
Don't put your fingers in the blade.
Okay. Do not hurt my finger again.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna build your muscles up with that.
Yeah. I have all strong muscles.
Mhm.
And I can help anyone in the whole world.
Mhm.
Even a fried cook. I can help you cook. Mama, can you get that poking?
Hmm?
Can you get that poking for me?
It's right there. Careful. Here. Like this. Poke it through the holes. Like that. Sometimes celery. Hold on. Sometimes celery, especially this part, gets stuck. So don't put that part, okay?
I'll do this a little.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Is that celery?
It's onion.
Can I do?
Celery's kind of getting stuck. Don't put it in here. Still chopping, but
Can I chop it?
do it.
I'll put it. I'm gonna do all of them. This will take a while to do.
They're doing great. I still have a long time before I need to use those, so you can keep going until I need you.
And I'm gonna cook what you. I'm gonna cook what you like.
You can add ingredients in when it's time.
Okay. Okay.
Well, it's gonna go. Those leaves are gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
Be
And
careful with
then
that.
honey.
You gotta be careful with that.
Okay. I'm putting the honey. Okay. I'm gonna get a protein. Where's the protein? I got some melon. Oh, my fingers. No, I'm not doing it, but my fingers again. I'm gonna keep going. There. I'm trying
You're doing great. Doing great.
Yeah, look at the bottom.
Yeah, I see. Doing great job, dude.
And my finger feels
Do you need me to help you?
My finger feels better.
It hurts? Oh, it feels better?
I'm doing it.
Don't put
Mommy,
those
I don't
leaves in.
need help. I want to leave right here.
Okay, I'm going to take the leaves off of them so it doesn't be harder to do, okay?
Okay, can you cut some of
I am. It'll make it easier. Yeah, okay, do it fast. Put a couple in there.
I'm doing one at a time. Yeah, I never like do this. Yeah.
Careful. Look at this. This has to go all the way in.
Yeah. Mm.
You can use the peppers or onions. I mean peppers or
Carrots. I'm gonna do all of them for you.
Okay. I'm gonna start using the potatoes and onions since the beef
I'm
is
doing
ground
this
up.
fast.
It's all cooked up. Potatoes, onions, and garlic were in here.
Mommy, are we gonna put the leaves in there?
Yeah, we're gonna use it all up.
Oh, we're gonna do it all up and then we're gonna save some for Biryani and Daddy.
No. Biryani don't need this. She don't need this.
Oh, and Dad don't eat this.
Dad does.
Oh, would you like it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some of these leaves because I already washed them and I want to use them. So I'm gonna add some celery leaves.
I do 2 at a time.
Great job.
1, 2. And I just press down and then it just goes down. It's not hard if I do 2.
Be very careful.
Okay. I want some.
You put 3 in there actually.
I swim my
Did
finger.
you know that?
Yeah. I
You put
swim my finger because.
Line them up like this. See how it's 3?
Yeah.
Now smush them.
What?
There you go. So let's try 1. Hold on.
2,
So
3.
try it. Push. There you go.
I press really hard.
Let's try this
And then-
one and this one.
And then
We're
can you
almost done with
put.
the celery. Then we're gonna do these and then we're gonna do carrots.
Onion.
It's fine, just leave it. We'll go like this, smush. See? It went down. This one.
One more to go.
Okay. Do this one. Okay, let's do the new stuff. Peppers. Hold on. There. Smash.
I don't need help anymore. I can cook.
There you go. Great job.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
red now.
Yeah, let's do this. So we can go through.
And
Okay. Okay. There.
I just need help.
Okay, hold on.
You
I
can't
gotta go like
watch
this.
me. Don't watch me anymore, please. Mommy, can you please not watch me anymore?
You have to make sure you're okay.
I will be okay. I need a needle then. Can you give me that?
A what? It's right there.
Okay.
Say, what are you doing? What are you doing over there? Huh?
These pebbles don't fit. Can you put them in the pot?
Oh,
Can you please put them in the pot?
what?
Yeah. These don't fit.
Here, we'll put them in this thing because we're gonna dump all that into your.
I did the potatoes in this. And you put in the pot. I'm gonna keep going into the orange peppers are gone, the red peppers. I'm doing this one at a time.
You're doing a great job.
Yep. I'm opening it now. See, Mama, I did it all by myself. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. A bowl. That you give me. I'm gonna pour into the bowl, then pour it into the pot. I'm pouring it into the bowl. Now
Great
I'm
job.
putting this in the
No. You gotta do carrots.
Oh, carrots.
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I forgot we're gonna do carrots.
Okay, go ahead.
I like carrots. I'm gonna do some carrots. A lot of carrots. Here,
Carol.
put this in the pot.
No, you can use it.
Okay.
Try. Try it. See? Carrots are easy. Use all the carrots. You don't have to take them out of that. You can just leave them in there and just put some on the thing.
I wanna do all of it.
Hey,
Don't want to.
hurry's okay, my needs the carrots.
Okay. There's a lot of vegetables in there still. That's fine.
Yeah. We need them all. You got healthy veggies for your body.
Oh. Mommy, just broke. But, Mama, does this go back on?
Yeah, hold on, let me help you.
How?
Here, let me see.
It just went off.
You gotta leave it on.
I just left it off and then closed it and then it just came off.
Yeah,
Myself.
it happens. It happens.
Okay, you want me to be careful, like
Yes, please, be careful.
1, 2,
Add more seasoning.
3. I put 3
I'm
on.
gonna add some broth.
Mama, I put 3 on here.
Got some beef broth.
Mama, you
Huh?
forgot said let's do 3 because it won't all fit.
Just do 2 or 1. You don't have to do them all.
I did
Use
2.
some broth.
Mm.
What are you doing, Dave? Get down from there. That's not how you.
Mama, can you give me the rest?
You have it over there.
This is called a vegetable bowl, right?
Which one?
This.
The bowl?
Yeah.
No, it's not a vegetable. It's a Tupperware. It's a container to put like your.
I'm
food in
putting
the
2
fridge.
at a time in here.
Okay. Be careful because if it doesn't go through, they might break.
It's gonna go in there. It just went in there by itself.
Making sure.
Mommy,
Oh,
leave it in the
it's in the
pot. But be careful. That means I'm responsible too.
Yeah.
I be careful.
You are being careful. You're doing a great job helping.
Yeah. Are we gonna do onions?
Oh, we are. You did. They're already in the pot.
I forgot.
Remember you did them?
Oh yeah. Can I put these in the pot?
Not yet until they're done.
Okay. This pot.
Yeah, we can't do it yet until they're all done.
No, two.
Need help?
No. These carrots won't fit though.
There you go. I'll help you. Let me
No,
smash
I
these
don't
ones.
need
Hold
help.
on, I gotta smash them. Watch your hand.
Oh,
Just need a little muscle in there.
I have a lot of muscles.
Okay, a lot of muscles too.
See? Now these are light.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put these in the pot.
I already drained these peas. I'm gonna add them in here.
Ooh, these.
And
I love these.
add some diced
Can you
tomatoes.
help me, Mama?
Yes, I can. Ready?
Oh, that was really
Smash.
loud. Smash, smash.
Mm-hmm. Okay, smash that like button.
Smash
Subscribe
that
to
mommy
our channel.
person. Smash Damian's Bianca.
No. Say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel of Debbie and Bianca.
Of us.
Of us and Debbie and Bianca too. I'm saying that to the video.
I see.
Welcome to the block. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the hood.
Yeah, you like that one, that show? I like
Yeah,
that show.
I like that song.
If y'all haven't seen the show The Neighborhood with Cedric the Entertainer, go watch it. That's what he's saying.
Welcome to the block. Welcome to
The
the
song, the
neighborhood.
intro
Welcome
song.
to the hood.
Yeah, that's a good show. That's my show.
Mama.
Yeah, just put it in there. Hot.
Hot,
Put
hot.
it in the pot.
Put it in the drop.
Drop it in the pot.
Drop it in the mop. Drop it
Drop
in
it
the
in the
pot.
pot. Hot. Drop it in the pot.
mommy pot. There, it's gonna taste delicious.
Delicious. And is it going to be nutritious?
Yes,
Yeah.
delicious. Burgesses. Madrasses. Delicious.
Hey, look at you rapping. Crazy. That.
Just a little more muscles.
Just a little bit more. You got only a couple left? Good job.
I have strong
You're a
muscles.
good helper, Zach.
Yep. I do that at my school too.
You taught food at school?
Yeah,
No, you don't.
I do.
No, y'all don't.
Yeah.
Since when?
When is dinner time? I'm in
You
school.
don't eat dinner at school.
Yeah?
No, you don't.
Yeah?
Why are you fibbing?
What did you say?
Why are you fibbing?
My teacher gave us food.
She gives you snacks and breakfast, and that's it. You ain't got no dinner at school.
I have 2 more carrots left, and I put
And
in
more
them
seasoning?
both on. There. I'm ready. I'm
You
done.
ready? Ooh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Ooh, thank you. Can I help you do the rest?
Okay, so where do we put this?
The
The sink?
Yeah, the sink.
Okay.
And
You
the
can drop
main
it in a pot.
I'm gonna drop it in the pot.
Careful, very carefully. Hold on, lift
Mommy,
it
I
up.
wanna drop it.
Lift it.
I wanna do it.
Lift it up. Careful, because it's gonna splatter on you. Very carefully. Turn it.
Hold on.
Like this.
I need a step stool.
Go get a step stool. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Go get it.
Don't pull it in.
Go get it.
I'm gonna do you. Don't pull it
Okay,
in.
want to help so bad. I'm gonna let him help. I'm gonna let him pour it in. Since he being so helpful. I don't know how to get this one off. Huh? So go ask him. Say, hey, where'd you put it? You haven't looked. Go look for it.
I didn't want one.
Go ask your brother. Go ask your brother.
It
Might be in Tay's room.
No, it's not.
We'll go ask Carter. I don't know how to get this one out. I gotta wash it. Okay, I guess we're just gonna wash it just like this. Say what? You wasn't even looking.
There, found it.
You didn't even look, Zabby.
Mama,
So how you say
can
it
you
wasn't there?
move?
Say,
Can I
excuse
put
me.
these in there?
No, that goes in the oven.
Can I
Be
put
very
in the
careful.
oven?
Turn it. And get your carrots.
Okay. I'll get my kills and the other vegetables.
Very carefully. You see it's bubbling. I put it on low, simmer. So go ahead, careful.
I'm gonna put one in there.
No, just pour it
I'm
carefully.
gonna drop
No, carefully. Hurry up.
one.
No, not one at a time. Pour it in.
I'll hold.
Pour it so it can be done. Because we gotta put a lid on it. Okay, keep pouring all of it. Gotta make sure all of it's in there. There you go. Keep tapping. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Can I put this in the oven?
No. Oven's more dangerous. No. Too hot.
Can I put the water there?
More water. I already put the broth in here. We just need a lid. Can you go leave a lid for it? There's a lid in there.
Okay. Mommy, you stepped on me on accident.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Because that's...
Okay, so I'm gonna put a
I'm
timer
gonna
on.
get what? That's what I want. Choose this. I choose this one. I choose this one. Oh, pot.
Good job. That's exactly the right one I need.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Can I put salt in there?
I already did. We don't need no more salt. Come on. Just let it cook now. Take down the stool.
I'm always gonna put the salt in there.
We don't need it. You did a great job. Say hi. What y'all think of my video? It's simmering. I don't know why it's bubbling, but this is simmering. I'm gonna give it till the cornbread's done. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Nope. It's burning hot. No. Get down.
I'm just pressing it on.
No, it's already on. Leave it.
Pressing it all the way up.
Oh shoot! I forgot to give myself some water. I needed some water, y'all.
I want to put the water in there. I'll put the water in the cup.
Look how much food we have used so far since I've cleaned. It's almost empty. See? No, it's for me to drink. The pot already has broth in it. I don't need that. That's why I say I need water to drink. No. Nope. See, it's bubbling. That's why I don't want you near it.
Bubbling. That's dripping.
It's bubbling.
It's like dripping.
It's because the steam. The steam is...
Then I mix it with it.
No, it's very hot right now. I don't want you near the stoves. I mean, you can get burned.
Look, all that smoke. Can I feel the smoke?
No, it's steam. That will burn you. No.
It'll hurt my fingers.
And I put it... I'm going to put on more... I'll put it on a simmer. I'm going to, like, move it a little bit off
Wow, the smoke.
while it's cooking.
The smoke smells good.
Yeah. We're going to wait till the cornbread's done, and we're going to turn this up.
Can I make the
Come on. When the cornbread says beep, then we can take the food off the oven. The stove, I mean. We'll see. Anywho, yeah. Hope you guys like our video.
Like our video.
Say it.
Guys, did you like a video?
Yeah.
That's you saying that.
They did like it. Anyways,
That's right.
we're going to show y'all what the food looks like
Can we
after
play
we're
the
done.
Uno game?
Ooh.
It's a game that Mommy